अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। कहते बच्चों आज इस टॉपिक पर ना हिंज जॉइंट क्लास 6 पचमन दोन मज कर कत बैलेंस लगा जॉइंट पीवट जॉइंट आज करो हिंज जॉइंट क्योंकि ये लफ्ज कर इस्तेमाल हिंज हिंज वन पे कब्जस सह कब्ज दरवाज लगान अम कब्ज क्या यह अलाउ कर दरवाज इट अलाउस डोर टू ओपन एंड क्लोज इसी कब्ज इसकी मदद से हम दरवाज़ा खोलते हैं और बंद करते हैं। ठीक गो अगर थो अत नाव हिंज जॉइंट तो मतलब यह सह जॉइंट सान बॉडी मज कर बिल्कुल अकि कब्ज पे दैट्स वाई इट्स कॉल्ड हिंज जॉइंट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन शुड बी वाई इट्स कॉल्ड हिंज जॉइंट, why a particular joint is called a hinge joint, why not ball and socket joint, why not pivot joint? Because some of the joints of our body, they work more or less like a hinge that we fix in a door in a so joint सान body मज कम बेश कर कब्ज की पे तवे वो ना गो hinge joint। ठीक go let's wonder what's a hinge joint. We can define the hinge joint like this: those joints of our body, हमारी body के वो joints that function much like hinges on a door, जिनका काम है जो इस तरह काम करते हैं जैसे हमारे दरवाजे में कब्जे काम करते हैं, इसीलिए हम इनको बोलते हैं hinge joints, right? या we can say a hinge joint is a connection between two bones wherein one bone moves and other relaxes. हम अख bone करा move, ब्याह relax. This is one definition, and the most appropriate definition according to your book is the definition. This is that those joints of our body that function much like a hinge on a door, जो इस तरह काम करते हैं जिस तरह दरवाज में कब्ज या दायरे में कब्ज काम करा। ठीक अब चूंकि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर बहुत जगहों पर ये हिंज जॉइंट्स होते हैं, और एक बात, it is also one of the synovial joints of our body. Synovial joints I told you yesterday, I need not to tell it again. So this is also one of the synovial joints of our body apart from pivot joint, right? So if you just see, or if you just look at our own body, we have fingers. I can show you this is the finger, right? And in this finger you have three sets of what we call as hinge joints. One is here, another is here, another is here. It is because of these what we call as hinge joints that I am able to move my finger like this, right? This is more or less like a hinge on a door. It is because of the presence of the hinge joint here, here and here that enables my finger to move like this. So we have hinge joints in our fingers. We have also got hinge joints in our elbow, right? And we have hinge joints in our knees and ankles. Also in toes there are hinge joints. So where can we actually find hinge joints in our body? Finger, toe, elbows, knees and ankles. And now if you see this hinge joint, it allows the movement of a bone. It allows the movement of bone in one direction, in one plane. For example, you can just move your hanger like this, but you can't take it backwards, more backwards. It will break then. So we can say that these hinge joints, they allow the movement of bone in one plane. That's why they are called as that's why this is also called as monoaxial movement. Monoaxial, that means in one plane, in एक समत में, इस समत में, और अगर आप इसको पीछे ले जाओगे, it won't go back, it will break. So we can say that these hinge joints, they allow or they ensure the movement of bone in one direction. Here you see, I have made a diagram here. This is one of the hinge joints. If you see, this is the humerus, and humerus is present in our upper arm. This is our forearm. I told you so. This is our upper arm. Take it, but addition was some bird edit. That's just one humerus, right? This humerus, and then it joins the two bones which are present in our forearm. One is the radius, one is ulna. I am sure you are aware about these two bones. The humerus comes all the way from the shoulder. Then this humerus bone it forms a joint with two bones. One is radius and another is ulna. So we can say three bones actually make this particular joint: humerus, radius, and ulna. And the joint they form here is this is hinge joint. This is the hinge, and this joint allows our arm to move like this and this and this. This is only possible because of the hinge joint present in our forearm. Now you can't take your arm इस हको नहीं इस पर वापस नहीं पास कुल खेल इस पर वापस मतलब इस तरह ये मूवमेंट कर सकती है, लेकिन इसको आप पीछे नहीं रख सकते हो, इसको आप पीछे नहीं ले सकते हो. इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ जो हिंज जॉइंट्स होते हैं they allow the direction of bone in one plane only, right? So you can't just backward it. If you do so, it will break. This is one of the examples of hinge joint. Apart from this, I told you that you can you have hinge joints in your toes, in your elbows, knees, ankles, and fingers, where I have shown you these hinge joints. Actually, why they are called hinge joints? Because they work more or less like a hinge. यहाँ पर मैंने बनाया ना इसे मतलब कब्ज निम्न आँख पर रोज़ा दाएं मत fix ब्याक शिकारा move. ठीक? That's why they are called as hinge joints. If anybody asks you a question, why are certain movements, some joints in our body called hinge joints, the answer should be because some joints of our body they work much like a hinge. That's why they are called as hinge joints. Inshallah, tomorrow we will talk about the fixed joints of our body. Thank you very much.